Hello, I'm Chisom Easy and you are welcome to my YouTube channel, The Roadside Investor, where we provide you with the tools that can help you on your wealth creation journey to financial freedom and personal growth. Now, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching my videos, thank you for engaging. Please give this video a thumbs up because with every thumbs up I get, YouTube pushes my video to a larger audience. And if you're just stumbling on this channel for the first time, welcome as well. I hope that you like what you see and then decide to stick around and watch many other videos on this channel. So as you can see from this title, I'll be showing you how to invest and earn in dollars using the Trove stock trading app. I would advise that you stick to the very end of this video because we'll be covering some specific features like how to fund, how to withdraw, how to buy and sell stocks using the Trove stock trading app, and other things, other features, and any other important information I feel that you need to know if you're looking to use the Trove stock trading app. So let's get into this video. What you're currently seeing on my screen is the landing page for the Trove stock trading platform. Mind you, Trove also allows you to trade both local and global stocks, just like Chaka. I'm just scrolling down here to see an overview. Okay, Trove is yet to verify the documents I sent for their KYC. That's why you see this pop up here, but we're just going to move on, right? The first thing you see here is the wallet balance and your portfolio amount, right? And we can definitely just go ahead to fund. But before we do that, let's take a look at the whole landing page. First, we can see trending, and apparently it's based on my risk profile. This is basically what is trending. This is my risk profile. Then you can go ahead to browse by categories: technology, finance, energy, etc. Going further down, you see the top gainers, and I think this is basically the top gainers in the last trading session. Sorry about that, the last trading session. And of course, market news is shortly followed by the top gainers, and that's basically what we can see here in the Trove stock trading app landing page. So let's just click on these three lines here and see. Okay, dashboard, all assets. You basically have different places that you can go to, and why I even clicked here is to bring to your attention that with Trove you can actually trade with your live account, or you can actually switch to a demo account. This is currently the only platform that allows you to have a demo account and just practice, right? So with the demo account, you already have 1 million naira to play with. So for the sake of this video, of course I would be using the demo account so we can actually buy some stocks, trade, and see how it goes with the platform. So let's quickly just click on add funds here and see. Okay, so they said here that deposits are disabled in demo virtual accounts. So obviously I have to go back to live account, so I show you how their funding process is. So let's just click on add funds here. Okay, there are two ways to deposit money to your Trove wallet, and that's through bank transfer or card wallet. We've chosen bank transfer, so we're just going to click on proceed here, proceed, and what pops up is the Trove bank account, and you can just go ahead and fund whatever amount you actually have intended to fund, of course. So just going back, the next option is the card payment option. here it says fund your wallet using your Verve, Naira, MasterCard or Visa debit card. So let's just click on that and then click on proceed. Okay, so how much do you want to fund? Let's just say 20,000 naira for the sake of this video. And processing fee here is 280 naira, so in total you would be funding 20,280 naira. After doing that, you just go ahead and click on proceed to payment and then go ahead to pay, right? So I'm just going to go back here and take a look at other things. Now that we have actually talked about how to fund, I'm just going to switch back to demo account so we can actually trade some stocks. So just like I've been using in my other videos, of course I'm going to try to purchase Apple stock. So I'm just going to click on this search button here and click on Apple, and this is Apple here. And just before we go ahead to click on buy shares, let's take a look at their stock page and how they just give out information. So what we can see here is the Apple stock price at the moment, and you can see that I currently do not have any Apple stocks. That's what you see here in holdings, current value 0. The graph you can see here is in the last 3 months. You can filter by the last 7 days. It's currently loading. The 1 month, it's taking quite a bit of time to load. Anyway, so going further down here, we can see the statistics, right? Market is currently closed, risk level low. Of course, that makes sense if you're investing in Apple. Sector technology, this is the previous opening and closing prices, the dividend 0.6%, and just basically everything you might need. Key statistics here, you have the PE ratio, you have the net income, profit, revenue, everything. So here we have the analyst ratings, and according to analysts, 84% of them are saying that you should buy and 15% are saying that you should hold. You can do with that information whatever you want. And going further down, news are related to the stock. Of course, you can see Apple option traders bearish after earnings. Apple ranks as world's most profitable company. Just keeping yourself updated, right? And obviously people that bought Apple stocks also bought this similar stocks. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And going further down, they give you a short description of the of the Apple shares, right? So let's just go ahead and click on buy shares. Okay, so this is the next page, basically the page where you get to proceed to payment. But before you get to proceed to payment, let's take a look at what we have here. So select order, and currently the order is at market order, and you can choose between market or limit order. Market order here means that whenever the market opens, whatever the price opens at, you're willing to buy the shares at that price. Meanwhile, limit order here means that you have a particular price in mind that you would like to purchase the Apple stock, and your order should not be executed until that price is reached. So for the sake of this video, I will be showing you both market and limit order, most especially because personally I found it quite hard to navigate myself, and I think the Trove app can actually do better in explaining this page. So let's just click on market here, and of course amount in USD. Let's just say I want to buy 10 shares of the Apple stock, and the current price is at $145.46 here. So let's just click on 1450 here, which is approximately 10 shares, right? Or we can actually just go here and enter quantity ourselves if we want exactly 10 shares, right? That gives us the amount here, and you can just go ahead and click on proceed to payment. But that is for market price. Limit price, however, let's just click on limit here. Right now, limit here is saying that this target price now is no longer the market price, but you then have to enter how much you actually like to purchase the stock at. So Apple stock is currently at $145, right? Or maybe you're looking to buy it when it gets lower, and let's say at $120, and you're then willing to buy 10 shares of Apple stocks at $120. That is what we have here. And you can now go ahead to click on proceed to make payment, right? For the sake of this video and the fact that this is a demo account, let's just go with the market order. I just had to explain both. So yeah, I'm clicking on 10 shares as we did earlier on, and we are proceeding to make payments. Okay, so this is order summary. Basically, this is the amount in USD, estimated quantity 10, service fee $14, and the total, just basically everything you need to know about your transaction. So confirmation here, I'm going to click on, yeah, just letting you know that the market is currently closed and the order will be executed between 3:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. West African time, which is when the global market is open. Of course, continue. So I'm just going to wait on that to be executed, right? And just go back. So basically, I have shown you how to buy global stocks on the Trove stock trading platform. Let's just try to purchase a local stock right now, and let that local stock be Zenith as usual. And you can also see the graphical representation here. The current price of Zenith is 24.6 naira. I think we can actually go ahead and place a limit order for Zenith Bank. We placed a market order for Apple. We're going to place a limit order for Zenith. So this is the transaction, the statistics rather. Analyst ratings. Wow. I don't know how accurate this is, because 0% is saying buy, 0% saying hold, 0% saying sell. I think that this is the case because in Nigeria over here, we really do not have much data for pretty much a lot of things. So analyst ratings would definitely be a hard one to get. So I'm guessing this feature is only quite accurate or useful when you want to purchase global stocks. So let's just go ahead and buy shares anyway. Like I said, we're going to be using the limit order, and currently the price of Zenith Bank is 24.65, but let's just say I would like to buy when it's 22 naira, and I would like to buy 100 shares when it gets to that point. So I'm just going to click on proceed payment and continue, right? Once again, this is the order summary and it's a limit order type. I'm just going to click on confirm transaction, and it's just letting us know that the market is currently closed. It's going to be open by 10 a.m. That lets you know how early I'm actually filming this video right now. It's quite early in the morning. So let's just click on continue, and we have placed our order. Let's go back. The next page we're going to go to is we're going to click on these three lines here and quickly go to order history. And as you can see here, you can see our order history. We literally just placed orders to purchase both Apple and Zenith stocks, and they're currently still processing. That's why you can see them here. You can see that we have no completed transactions. We have just 2 buy transactions, no sell, 2 pending. So basically very accurate data here. Next, we're just going to click on these 3 lines again and just try to really see what we have here. You can click on my wallet and you can now see what's really going on in your Naira account and your dollar account as well. Next, we're just going to click on 3 dotted lines again. Let's just click on all assets and see. So basically what you can see here is the assets that you have available to trade on the Trove stock trading platform. There are a lot. You just get to pick for yourself. That's pretty much it on using the Trove stock trading app. And right now you know how to buy stocks using the Trove stock trading app. You know how to fund, you know how to navigate your way on the app to do things that are pretty much important. So that's pretty much it on this app review. You have reached the very end of the review of the Trove stock trading app. If you like what you see, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. In my very next video, which will be dropping exactly 2 days from now, I would be comparing all four platforms here being Chaka, Bamboo, Trove and RiseVest. I have gotten this comments a lot. Oh, please do a Chaka versus Bamboo, or a Chaka versus Trove, Bamboo versus Trove, Trove versus RiseVest, all of that. So in the next video, that's exactly what I will be bringing to you. So you should definitely stay tuned by subscribing and clicking on the notification button so you don't get to miss out on these videos. See you next time. Bye.